everybody, Sam here. Today, I've got something that will completely change the way you train at home. This is the GYMERA Hyperformer, an all-in-one smart fitness system that brings a complete gym into your living room. Whether you are into Pilates, strength training, rowing, or just trying to squeeze in a quick workout between meetings, this device is next level. And yes, the first project on Kickstarter was a huge success. And I reviewed it 2 years ago and I loved it. You see, I didn't get fat because of it. But should you get this once and for all? Let's dive into it. Just as you'd expect, the Hyperformer is foldable. When folded, it only takes up 0.23 square meters, about the size of a coffee table. Thanks to the wheels on the bottom, it's easy to move around. But since the goal is to actually use it, you'd better unfold it and get moving. Just like I showed in the video, grab the two horizontal bars with both hands, push forward, then pull back. You can effortlessly flatten it onto the ground. There's also a support bar with adjustable height to fit different training setups. Pull out the resistance cords. You'll notice the quick release buttons on them. You can hook and unhook them to the bar in seconds. And since we've got the bar attached, why not turn on the machine and jump straight into some resistance training? And just like that, it becomes a power station, one of 5 core workout modes. Here you can do resistance bar squat stretches, where you hold the bar with both hands. As you squat, you're working against the resistance, building strength and flexibility. When you rise, the elastic tension stretches your muscles dynamically, improving joint mobility, muscular extension, and stability. You can also rest the bar on your shoulders and perform shoulder-loaded squats, kind of like barbell squats, but with added dynamic stretching. I love this one because it works on my back and the shoulders, which really helps relieve the tension I get from sitting too long editing videos. The result? A combo of dynamic stretching and strength training that activates your deep muscle groups. And for many women, or anyone who wants to work on glutes, the hip thrust exercise might be your favorite. Just wrap backrest support bar with a soft cushion to protect your lower back. Lie on the bench with your upper back supported. Place the resistance bar across your hips and do controlled hip thrust to activate your glutes and hamstrings. This movement is super effective for toning your glutes, stretching hip flexors, and strengthening your core. Great for shaping the lower body and relieving back tension. I also have to mention the built-in touchscreen. It makes everything so much easier to operate. Under resistance mode, it offers 3 training types. I just list them on the screen. You can adjust the resistance from 0 to 70 kilograms in 0.5 kilograms increments. Once you're ready, just hit start. The screen shows your time and reps. Super intuitive. These are the 3 most common strength training modes you use with this form factor, but of course, there's more. Press the 2 buttons underneath the cushion to unlock it, then lift it to reveal the hidden bar. Pinch the middle latch with the 2 fingers and push inward. This unlocks the sliding cushion. Secure your feet, and just like that, it transforms into a rowing machine. You get 2 resistance modes here, constant mode and water flow mode. Both modes support up to 70 kilograms of resistance. Out of all the Hyperformance modes, rowing is my favorite. The glide is incredibly smooth. If you've used many rowing machines, you'll know that getting smooth rails is no small feat. But the Hyperformer nails it. With such a smooth experience, I almost want to do everything on it. Read, row, even nap while sliding. With a machine this fun, how can anyone get out of shape? But wait, here's the real showstopper, the Pilates Reformer. Just pull out the steel rods from the base and secure them to the rear beam. Don't forget to hook the 2 hand straps to the ends of the cords. Adjust the cords to the right length and fix them in place like I showed in the video. Then raise the shoulder and hand rests. Boom! You've got a classic Pilates Reformer ready to go. What surprises me is how seamlessly the Hyperformer integrates the entire Pilates system. Carriage, straps, pulleys, all in one device. And it's super intuitive. Setup is quick and straightforward, and the number of Pilates movements you can do is endless. I only demo a few in this video, but you can let your imagination run wild, or just check YouTube for more inspiration. But this isn't just a regular Pilates Reformer, the software is a game changer. On screen, Yellow, blue, red, and gray represent the different resistance levels, just like color-coded springs in traditional reformers. Unlike traditional machines that rely on real springs, the Hyperformer uses electronic resistance while keeping the familiar color cues as visual references. It can mix and match resistance levels directly on the screen, and the system adjusts automatically. This offers several advantages: fast, smooth resistance transitions, less need for manual adjustments, and because there's no need to swap physical springs by hand, it eliminates the risk of injury during spring changes, greatly improving safety. But the most mind-blowing part, it supports preset training programs. You can plan your full workout and resistance changes in the app, and the machine will automatically adjust as you move through each set. No manual switches, no interruptions. It's honestly unbeatable. Yep, the Hyperformer also comes with a mobile app, and it includes tons of tutorials you can follow if you want. You might have noticed the large freestanding screen next to me. It's sold as an optional add-on. I think it's worth it. You can watch while training and correct your posture in real time. The screen also gives live feedback, including graphs, and help analyze your form. The app is incredibly flexible, offering nearly every customization you can think of for any part of your body. I won't be able to show you everything here due to time, so let's jump to the conclusion. The GYMERA Hyperformer isn't just another home gym. It's a revolutionary, space-saving, all-in-one smart fitness solution. Whether you're looking to build muscle, improve flexibility, or simply stay active without stepping out of the house, this machine does it all, and does it well. No need to pay a fortune for a local gym membership, especially when there is always the risk of getting scammed and the gym disappearing overnight. Don't ask me how I know. From Pilates to power training to rowing, it's incredibly well designed, smooth to use, and smartly integrated with cutting-edge tech. If you're serious about upgrading your home workouts, this might just be the smartest investment you'll make. So what do you think? Ready to level up your fitness game? Let me know in the comments. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed training on this GYMERA Hyperformer. And if you are interested in this product, please check the link in the description and back it now. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. We'll see you in the next one. Woohoo!